Intro hook. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of emails flooding your inbox daily? Tired of sifting through junk mail and promotional offers? Well, I've got a solution for you, a relay account. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of relay accounts, exploring what they are, why you need one, and most importantly, how to create your very own. What is a relay account? Imagine a relay account as a digital mailbox that acts as a middleman between your primary email address and the countless online services you subscribe to. By creating a relay account, you can channel all those unwanted emails and notifications into a separate inbox, keeping your primary email tidy and focused. Why do you need a relay account? Privacy. Protect your personal information by shielding your primary email address from spammers and marketers. Organization. Keep your inbox clutter-free and easily manage subscriptions and notifications. Security. Reduce the risk of phishing attacks and identity theft by limiting the number of services that have access to your main email. Convenience. Streamline your online life by consolidating all your subscriptions and notifications in one place. Choosing the right relay service. Before diving into the creation process, let's explore some popular relay services to help you make an informed decision. Proton Mail, known for its strong encryption and commitment to privacy. Tutanota offers a user-friendly interface and a focus on security. Temp Mail provides temporary email addresses for one-time use scenarios. Mailinator, a free service that generates disposable email addresses. Creating your relay account. Now that you've chosen a service, let's walk through the steps of creating your relay account. Sign up. Visit the website of your chosen relay service and create an account by providing the necessary information. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email and follow the instructions to confirm your account. Create a relay address. Choose a unique email address for your relay account. This can be a combination of your name, initials, or a keyword. Set up forwarding. Configure your relay account to forward emails to your primary email address. This ensures that important messages still reach you. Start using your relay account. Begin using your new relay address for online subscriptions, forums, and other services. Tips for effective relay account management. Regularly check your relay inbox. Monitor your relay account for any important emails or notifications. Unsubscribe from unwanted services. Use the unsubscribe links in emails to remove unwanted subscriptions. Create filters. Set up filters to automatically sort and organize emails based on sender, subject, or keywords. Review your forwarding settings. Ensure that your forwarding settings are up to date and functioning correctly. Conclusion. By creating a relay account, you can significantly improve your online experience by reducing clutter, enhancing privacy, and streamlining your email management. So, take the time to set up a relay account and enjoy the benefits of a more organized and secure digital life. Call to action. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your email inbox? If so, a relay account might be the solution you've been looking for. Follow the steps outlined in this video to create your own relay account and experience the difference. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.